Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on unlinking your BitMoji from your Snapchat account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you want to delete your BitMoji so you are left with the old ghost icon, or if you want to add a different BitMoji, here is how you do it. Start by going to your profile page on Snapchat. Tap the settings icon from the top right. In settings, select BitMoji. In the BitMoji settings, select Unlink my BitMoji. Tap Unlink on the pop-up if you are sure you want to unlink it. Once that's done, you can now set up a new BitMoji, or continue without one. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.